Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today in this tutorial I'm going to quickly show you how to hide the Meta AI button on WhatsApp. So let's get into the video. So go to your WhatsApp, open it up. So open up your WhatsApp, and then what you need to do, you're going to go to your settings option here, or click on those three dots on your top right, and then go to your settings option, click on settings, and under settings you will see chats option. Simply select the chat option. So when you get to this chat option here, under the chat settings here, you will see an option called show Meta AI. So if you see that option there, what you're going to do, you could just toggle that switch and click and turn that off to hide it. So when you turn that off, your Meta AI button will be hidden. So since I'm not eligible for Meta AI yet, so I don't have that option visible here, but if you're eligible and if you see that button, and all you have to do, go to this chat settings. Under chat settings you'll see an option called show Meta AI. Just turn that off. So click on it and then toggle the switch to off, and then that's it. Your Meta AI will be removed or hidden. So that's pretty much it. Hope this video was helpful. I will see you in another video. Thank you.